Well, let's start with your professional experience. Can you tell me through your background and how it relates to the research and development position here in our company?
Sure, my background is in material science with a focus in polymer chemistry, and I've spent the last few years in a company that specializes in coverings for industrial equipment, and my role was in the research and development department where I was tasked in formulating and testing new coverings, including wire coatings.
Interesting. What specifically attracts you to this position at our company?
I've been following the work of your company, and I'm impressed about the solutions you have developed, and I'm interested in contributing the developing of new coverings that not only protect the wires but also enhance their performance and longevity. I think my experience in coverings is perfect to the goals for this position.
That's great to hear. Where do you envision yourself in the next 5 years, both professionally and personally?
Professionally, I want to take more leadership in the R&D department. I'm very passionate about driving projects from its very conception through the final commercialization. Personally, I hope keep growing and learning while giving back to my community through volunteer work and mentorship.
Impressive goal, Mr. Fernandez. Now, can you highlight some of your key strengths that you believe make you a strong candidate for this role?
Yes, as I mentioned before, I have a strong background in material science and polymer chemistry, which are crucial to the developing of new and effective wire coverings. I also consider myself highly analytical, detail oriented, and good at problem solving, which are crucial to the driving of new projects, investigation projects, and optimizing processes. I also feel good working at collaborative environments, and I enjoy participate in interdisciplinary teams to achieve common goals.
Now, do you have any question about the company or this role?
Yes, Mr. Granados, I'm curious to know what is the company's approach to staying ahead in industry trends and emerging technologies in wire coverings.
That's a great question, Mr. Fernandez. We place a strong emphasis at the research and development, constantly monitoring the market trends and invest in the cutting edge technologies to ensure that products keeps on the top of the industry. We also prioritize collaboration with industrial partners and academic institutions to stay abreast to the advances of science and engineering.
Oh, that's interesting. What were the latest academical institutions you have worked with?
Well, the last I remember I have worked with the Universidad Autónoma de Nuevo León and Tecnológico de Monterrey. Well, Mr. Fernandez, it has been a pleasure to speaking with you, and we'll keep in touch to waiting to the next steps in the hiring process.
Well, thanks. It's been a pleasure to speak with you also, and I'll be in touch to know more about this position, and I hope you take a decision of hiring me. I'll see you later.
Goodbye.